Welcome all. You have learned the chapter ratio, isn't it? So today we are going to learn the main points of this chapter ratio. So let's get started. Here it is given an example. 5 kites and 7 balloons are there. How we can represent it is in ratio. The solution: 5:7 or 5 by 7. 5 is the first term and 7 is the second term. To represent it in ratio, the first term is to second term. By this example, you can construct the definition of ratio. So, what do you mean by the ratio? The ratio is the comparison of two quantities of same kind by division. Here it is given another example. We have to find the ratio of pentagon to a diamond. In this figure it is given 3 diamonds and 2 pentagons are given. How we can write it in ratio? 2 by 3 or 2:3 is the ratio of pentagon to a diamond. Here, now I like to give you a small video. By this video, you can able to simplify the ratio.
But how? Take a look at this example. So if you have a ratio of 4:6, we can also write it as 4 divided by 6. So how to simplify this ratio? 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2. So if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, we can get an answer of 2/3. And 2/3 doesn't have common factor, therefore, the simplest form of the ratio 4:6 will be 2:3, or 2/3. The 2 there is the highest common factor, or HCF, of 4 and 6. Another example, 30:50 can be written as 30 divided by 50. Now we all know that 30 and 50 can be divided to 2, so if we divide 30 and 50 by 2, it will give as an answer of 15/25. Is 15 and 25 have common factor? Yes, that's right, they still have a common factor. 15 and 25 can be divided by 5. Therefore, if we divide 15 and 25 by 5, it will give us an answer of 3/5. So 3/5 doesn't have common factor. Therefore, 3/5 is the simplest form of the ratio 30/50. And the product of all the number which we divide the numerators and denominators by will be the HCF, or the highest common factor. So in the example, we divided the numerator and denominator by 2 and 5. Therefore, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So 10 is the HCF of the ratio 30/50. So that's how you simplify the ratio. It has the same rule in simplifying a fraction. That's it, guys. I hope you learned a lot about ratio and how.
One cake, we should need 3 bowls of flour and 2 glasses of milk is required. Then how much bowls of flour and milk is required for making 4 cake? So the ratio for making 1 cake is 3:2. The 3 into 4 is to 2 into 4, we will get 12:8. So 12 bowls of flour is needed for making 4 cake and 8 glasses of milk is needed for making 4 cake. Now we can move to the next problem. A recipe uses oil and flour in the amount shown. What is the ratio of flour to oil? Solution: to simplify and rewriting this ratio as one involving whole numbers. 3/4 is to 1/4. 3/4 into 4 is to 1/4 into 4, which gives 12/4 is to 4/4, which gives 3:1. Now we can move to the next problem. The 1 kg of wheat of cost 26 rupees and 1 kg of rice of rupees 39. we have to find the ratio of cost of wheat to rice. The answer is the ratio of cost of wheat to rice is equal to 26 is to 39, which gives 26 divided by 13 all divided by 39 divided by 30. We will get 2 by 3. So the ratio is 2 is to 3. Now we can move to the next problem. To make a pastry, the Anu took 2 cups of milk with 6 cups of maida. Then for 9 cups of maida, how many cups of milk is required? Solution. The ratio of milk to maida is 2 is to 6. By simplifying we will get 1 is to 3. Thus, for 9 cups of maida, 1 is to 3 is equal to x into x is to 9. 1 by 3 equal to x by 9. So 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 9. Therefore, 3 cups of milk is needed. Now move to the next question. There are 10 cows for every 18 hens in a farm. Find out the hen to cow ratio. Also find the cow to the total number of animals. Solution. The given number of cow equal to 10 and number of hen equal to 80. So the total number of animal is equal to the number of cow plus number of hen, which gives 10 plus 18 equal to 28. Therefore, the ratio of hen to cow equal to 18 is to 10, which gives 9 is to 5. The ratio of cow to the total number of animal is equal to 10 is to 28, which gives 5 is to 4. Now we can move to the next problem. A person takes 2 hours to cover a distance from his village to the city. But if he takes a bus, then he reaches the city in 30 minutes. Find the ratio of time taken to cover the distance by walk to the time taken by the bus. How we can solve this problem? The time taken to cover the distance on foot equal to 2 hours, and the time taken to cover the distance by bus equal to 30 minutes. The time taken to cover the distance on foot is to the time taken to cover the distance by bus equal to. We have to convert the 2 hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes